He is a development worker with 15 years of experience. He's currently serving as the SDG Specialist of the UN Development Program Philippines. And before his role, he was the Program Coordinator of the UN Joint Program on Integrated National Financing Net Framework, which focuses on accelerating financing for the SDGs. Without further ado, let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Aljo Quintana.
Hello, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Let me try this over. It's not working, so I can just play back. Okay. Again, I'm Aljo Coin from the United Nations Development Program. For some of you who's not familiar with the United Nations Development Program, we are the development agency of the United Nations. So within the United Nations system, we play what we call the integrator role on the implementation of sustainable development goals.